Senate Democratic leaders are working to push a watered-down version of health care reform through Congress. CBS News congressional correspondent Nancy Cortez is at her post on Capitol Hill with more on that. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning, Russ. They are tantalizingly close now. There is now just one Republican, or Democrat rather, holdout. That's Nebraska Senator Ben Nelson.
Democratic leaders are frantically negotiating with Nelson, who would provide their crucial 60th vote. Nelson wants the bill to include a ban on abortion coverage for any woman who gets a tax credit to buy insurance.
This is a big issue. It's a complex issue. Since it's all Democratic support, there's essentially no room for losing any votes.
Leaders are trying to craft a compromise that everyone can live with, and soon, because Senate rules dictate that if they want to pass a bill by the holidays, they must file the bill by this Saturday. And even then, they could get thwarted by Republican stall tactics.
The provisions of the Federal Advisory Committee Act shall not apply to the Council.
Yesterday, Republicans suddenly demanded that clerks read a 767-page health care amendment out loud on the Senate floor.
For purposes of this subsection, a service shall be considered to have been provided in
Senate business got tied up for 3 hours until Senator Bernie Sanders just pulled his amendment. Democrats were predictably outraged.
Behind this, I have in my hand a smoking tweet from Senator Jim DeMint. If Reid won't slow down this debate, we'll do it for him.
And that's the kind of stunt that Republicans would happily pull again if it will slow down the Democrats' goal of getting this bill passed now before any of their members can change their minds and before the calendar reads 2010, which is an election year, Russ, when many members' minds will be elsewhere.
Exactly. Nancy Cortez on Capitol Hill. Thank you very much.